So this course is brand new. It's summarizing all my experience of teaching design thinking in the crash course format, and it's also summarizing my learnings, insights and feedback from my participants in a German version of that course that has been pretty successful on this platform for the last years. So you're getting the best out of it. This is a tested approach, learning design thinking by doing design thinking in a very simplified and fast and efficient way. It's a practical design thinking course where you learn by doing design thinking. So you will learn the basic theory that you really need to know about design thinking, where you apply it and what the principles are. You learn the most important design thinking methods in each of the 5 steps. And then you learn doing design thinking by working through your own challenge and seeing examples of a life challenge that we will work through together during the course. This is a certified course. That means that if you complete the course assignments and send them in at the end of this course by email, you will get a responsive strategy course certificate personally signed by me and confirming that you have not only learned design thinking theory, but also applied design thinking in practice through working through your project. So all of this will be written on the course certificate.